Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Today we're going to make a beautiful basket. As you can see, we're going to paste the strip on the side of the ring. Now you can add a flower and some pearls and cover it using the sheet. It will look beautiful on the base. Now we're going to paste some white sticks around it and cover it using some pearls, thread, and keep braiding it till the top. Now you can also add some sticks on the side and then on the corners as well. And look, your beautiful basket is ready. Let's make baskets using these old plastic cups. As you can see, using hot glue gun, we are going to paste this pink color of thread around it. You can also add some lace and pearls, make the handle, paste it on the top and decorate it further using flower and pearls, and it's ready. We're going to make flower vase, so let's recycle this old bottle. Using double-sided tape, we are going to paste this thread around it. So take a very thick white color of thread and keep rolling it around the bottle. Cover it till the bottom and cut the extra part. You can also add some lace and pearls and decorate it further like we're doing here. Now cut this flower shape and then paste it on the top of the bottle. You can use this glue solution and look, your vase is ready. Here we're going to use these different items and make a beautiful craft out of it. So as you can see, we're going to paste the pearl and these flowers on the base of the heart shape. Put a transparent sheet on the top. Now we're going to add some lace, paste some sticks on the side, and then using these pink color of thread, we're going to braid it. As you can see, we're going to fill some pearls as well for beautiful shape. Now cut the extra part of the sticks and look, your beautiful heart-shaped container is ready. You can put small items and you can also gift it to your loved ones. We are going to use these items and make a beautiful pen stand. So we're going to paste this fabric at the base of the circle. Now cut the extra part, cover the base as well. Now paste some sticks on the side. Look how we're doing here. You can use hot glue gun. After this, we're going to braid this yellow color of thread around it. You can use hot glue gun and paste it. Now we're going to take two thread and twist it and put it around those sticks. Now you can also put some beads like we're doing here. It will add a beautiful look to the pen stand. Now we're going to cover it from the top as well. We're going to put some more pearls on the top, cover it further like we're doing here, and look, your pen stand is ready. We're going to cover the ring using these beautiful lace, flowers and some beads and put a transparent sheet on the top of it. Look how beautiful the base is looking. Now add some sticks on the side of the ring. We're going to paste it using hot glue gun. After this, we're going to use this blue color of thread and paste it on the corners. Using hot glue gun, put some beads on the top of it. You can also paste it like we're doing here. Now put a flower at the center and we're also putting this doll, and look, your beautiful decor piece is ready. You can also put your phone. Thank you so much for watching this video.